Good morning children. Welcome to today's section. Today's section is for second standard students. Yes children, here we are going to learn the new topic in the grammar today. Yes, and that is the topic name is describing words. Yes children, describing words means what? What is describing word? Yes, see children, before we know what is describing word, we should know about the naming words. Yes or no? Before you know what are describing words. So before knowing the describing words, you should know what are naming words. Naming words means what? So here naming words are nothing but they are known as nouns. So what is noun here? Noun is a name of person, place, animal or a thing. Yes or no? What is noun children? We have learned. Noun is a name of person, place, animal or a thing. Yes or no? Noun is a name of person, place, animal or a thing. It tells us about the person, about the thing, about the place, about the animal. Because noun has the name for everything. So what things are having names are called as nouns. Yes or no? Are called as nouns. So here today these nouns only they describe the words. So what is that? What is describing words? Yes, today we are going to study the new topic, that is 25th topic in the grammar part, that is describing words. The new topic in the grammar is describing words. Describing words. So now here we can say words that tell us more about the person, place, animal or the thing are called describing words. Yes. So first let me write the sentence here children. Words that tell us more about the person, place. Tell us more about the person, place, animal, bird or thing. Animal, bird or thing are describing words. Are describing words. In this one more point, and I will explain you. Describing words tell us more about the naming words. Yes, describing words tell us more about a naming word. Yes. So here, now I will tell you, we find many describing words. What is describing? Describing, the word meaning describing. Describing means what? Here it is given, describing words. Describing means what? ವಿವರಣೆ ಮಾಡುವುದು. ಹೌದಾ? ವಿವರಣೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ this word also you may not understand because you are a small kids. Describing, vivarane madodu means what? Now, see here children, here I am having two things in my hand, okay? One is this pencil. Yes? Yes or no? This is thin. How is this? Thin. Thin andre sanna. And I have one marker in my hand. This is little bit fat than this. See? Yes or no? This is very thin and this is very fat. This is having bright color. This is having okay color. That is black and white. Yes or no? Now I describe about this pencil and about this marker. How did I do that? Yes. One. So the size of the pencil is in length it is long, but in thickness it is very thin. Sannagadala, this is very small. Tiluvada. Yes or no? Now this is short in size, not that big, small in size, but it is thick. Thick. The length is small, but the size is thick. Thick andre ಏನು? ದಪ್ಪ. Fat. ದಪ್ಪ ಇದೆ. See, so big in hand. And this is so small in hand. This is thin and this is thick. Fat. Yes or no? Now, same like that way, when your birthday is there or when you are going to some function, you wear very nice dress. You look very beautiful, and boys they wear pant, shirt, goggle, then you look very smart. Yes or no? Then if somebody sees you at the function, they say, oh, you are looking very pretty. Pretty, you are looking very beautiful for girls. We use beautiful and pretty for girls. Smart and handsome for men or boy. We use smart and handsome for men and boys. When boys dress up very nice and when they visit any function, then the people, oh, your son is looking very smart. Or your friends will say, you are looking very handsome today. What, new dress, new goggle? Yes. Yes or no? So we describe the person like this. Yes. Vivarane madodu. Now you can see the giraffe. The giraffe, it is having a long neck. Yes or no? The giraffe, it is having a long neck. And the mouse is a small animal. The mouse is a small animal. So like this way, we describe the things. We say, some cats are black in color. Some cats are white in color. Yes or no? Then we say, you see there is a black cat. We are describing about the color of the cat. We say, black cat. White cat. Yes or no? You buy vanity bags. Some vanity bags, the thing is very hard. The leather is very hard. And some things you get very fluffy, which are very soft in hand. We describe the thing. How is your vanity bag? My vanity bag is very soft and smooth, easy. Yes or no? So we describe the things. ಅದು ಹೆಂಗದ, ಅದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕಾಣ್ತದ, ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟದ, ದೊಡ್ಡದದ, ಸಣ್ಣದ. We describe it. ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೊಗಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. That is called describing word. So here, adjectives describe nouns. They tell us more about nouns. They tell us more about the nouns. When we, now I can say, big house. Big house. I have a big house. Big. Big is what? Big is the word that describes the noun house. What is big? Your house is big. Yes or no? I say, I have a big house. Example here. I have a big house. So here the word big is describing the house. How is the house, children? The house is very big. Yes or no? The house is very big. So the word big is telling how is the house. The word big is describing about the house. How is that house? The house is very big. So here next. Round ball. See here. I have a round ball. I have a round ball. What is the shape of the ball, children? It is round. Yes. What is the shape of the ball? It is round in shape and it has different colors also. But here, the ball, you have a ball, but the shape of the ball is what here? Round. The word round describes about the ball. How is the ball to see? The ball is round in shape. How it is? Round in shape. We say the ball is round in shape. Now you see, those towers they add. Yes, they set up the towers. Some people even they set up the towers in their house also. This Airtel car, this all. How big those towers will be, children? They are very tall. They are very big in size. Yes or no say? Then we say the tower is very tall. We say the tower is very tall. Now think there are brother and sister in your home. Ada Anna Tamma or Anna Tangi. Then brother is very tall and sister is very small. Then what you say? I am taller than you. You are shorter than me. You say. Yes or no? So this describes the person. It tells us about. So this describing words, they describe about the person, the place, the animal, the birds and the thing. Each and everything comes in the noun, adjectives, that is describing words. Yes, describing words are nothing but they are called as adjectives also. Adjectives are words which describe about the noun. Here in adjectives we can describe about the quality, we can talk about the size, we can talk about the color, we can talk about the shape, we can talk about the number of nouns also. I have 4 pencils. I have 7 dresses. Yes, I have 7 dresses. I have 4 pencils. Yes or no? An apple is red in color. The leaf is green in color. The apple is red in color and the leaf is green in color. The leaf is green in color. So the adjectives, it describes about the color. I can say here the parrot. Simple example. The parrot is green. The parrot is green. Now here children, tell me which is the describing word here? Parrot? No. Green. What is the color of the parrot, children? The color of the parrot is green color. What is the color of the parrot? The color of the parrot is green color. So green is here describing word. What is green here? Green is a describing word. Here we see many different types of things. Now I can say here we have 4 cars. 4 cars. So here the number 4. 4 is a describing word. The number 4 is a describing word. Because I have 4 cars. How many cars you have? 4 cars. I have 4 cars. Yes or no? Like this way, the adjectives they describe about the color, the size, the shape, the number of nouns also. We can find adjectives in all these things. So here they also tell us about someone or something looks. Yes. Now we say when the person is moving, then we say, wow, how smart she is. No, how smart he is. When we are talking about the girl's beauty, we have to use a beautiful or pretty, no smart and handsome. Yes or no? Yes. Then we say, wow, how smart he is. If he is looking very beautiful, we say how smart he is. If she is looking very good, then we say how beautiful she is. How pretty she is. We use. Yes or no? So it tells about the look. Sometimes you are moving on the roads. Leave about roads. Don't want. Mama prepared some sweet in the home. Yes? As you go inside the home, you say, Mama, something, gama anlikatadala, you say. Then Mama will ask, what happened? Mama will tell. Then you say, Mama, something nice smell is coming today. Then you can recognize the good smell and bad smell also. Which is sweet, which is bitter, which is very dirty smell, you can identify. So, these things also come into the describing words. The upma smelled very tasty. Yes, the fragrance, the perfume. Very easy sentence. When you apply the perfume for your body, yes or no? You apply a perfume for your body. Then, if the smell is very good, then you say, Mama, nice fragrance, you say. If the smell is not good, oh, this is too odd, you say. It is not good. Yes or no? Like this way, we can describe the describing words. We can know what are describing words. So here, when you hold a rose in your hand, okay, you smell that rose. Then you say the fragrance of the rose is wow, lovely, wow, you say. Yes, here, when the clouds, then what you call? Thunder clouds we call. What we say? Thundering clouds. We say it's thundering clouds. Yes or no? Yes. So here, when you drink the juice, you can understand the taste of the juice, whether it is bitter or it is sweet. Then you say apple juice, very sweet. Yes or no? Karela juice. What you say Karela juice? Ayyappa, ishtu kayyada mummy. You say. Why? Because it is bitter. Yes or no? It is lime juice when you drink. What is the taste of the lime juice, children? Sour. Little sour, little sweet. Sour and sweet mixed. Then you understand katta mita. Katta mita. Hulinoda, seenada, mummy, hudisi, eldoda, you say like this. Yes or no? You can identify the taste. So that taste also, sour, sweet, bitter, these words also come into the describing words. These words also, they come in a describing word. So here we can say words that tell us more about person, place, animal, thing or bird are called describing words. Describing words tell us more about a naming word also. They tell us more about the naming word. I say, when you want to go to some place, from one place to the another place, you say, I have to go long way. That long word, it comes in the describing word. Long way, you say. Where is your house? My house is nearby. Yes. So like this way. Here. You sleep, children. When you sleep, you use a pillow. Yes or no? You use the pillow. Dimmu. Malkobekadre dim use ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Dimmiಗೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ? Pillow. We call it pillow in English. So some people they use very soft pillow. Some people they have little bit rough cotton inside it. Then you feel it gatti anistadala. Then you feel it is very rough. Then as you keep your head, suddenly if your head moves down, then you say this pillow is too soft. You say it is too soft. Cotton. When you touch the cotton, you feel it is very soft. Yes or no? When you touch the cotton, you feel it. Now this cloth. See, if I hold this like this way, I can say this is soft because I can fold it. I am folding. Yes or no? So this is very soft. This is very soft. Now this pen, this is soft. See, it is bending. No, this is hard. This soft and hard is called as describing words. Yes, children. So the words in color describe the naming words girl, road, cat and pillow. Here there is a small explanation about the describing words. Describing words, they tell us about the number, yes, and the taste, the look of the person, and they describe how the thing is. They tell us how the thing is. How is Taj Mahal to see, children? Beautiful. Taj Mahal is beautiful. Yes or no? Charminar is too tall. It is too tall. We say. So we describe the things by using the describing words, that is adjectives. Yes, adjectives. So here children, let me solve 1-2 main so that you can understand what are describing words very easily. Once again I read here. Words that tell us more about the person, place, animal, bird or thing are describing words. They tell more. ಅತಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ describing words. We call it as a describing words. Describing words tell more about a naming word. The thing which has a name, it tells more about that word. So here you can see, I have a big house. How is your house? Some people they have 2 rooms, 3 rooms, 4 rooms. Some people they have double bedroom, up and down, duplex house. So they call it is big bungalow, flat. They say my house is very big. So this big is called as what? Describing word. So here I have a round ball. What is the shape of the ball here, children? Round. It is round in shape. So the word round, it comes in the adjective, in the describing word. So here, because it is describing the ball. How is the ball? It is round in shape. So here, the parrot is green. So the parrot, what is the color of the parrot? Green color. Yes or no? Green color. So green color, this green, it is describing the parrot color. It is describing the parrot's beauty. Yes? Okay. We have 4 cars. How many cars we have, children? 4 cars. We have 4 cars. So this number 4, it is telling the person is having 4 cars. Yes. So here children, now we will solve the exercise, that is first main. You have to write this definition, children. Yes, with that examples. Look at the pictures and fill in the blanks with the correct words. Look at the pictures and fill in the blanks with correct words. Fill in the blanks with correct words. So here first word I will write here: fat, hot, smart. Fat, hot, smart, huge, round, short, heavy. Round, short, heavy. And then next, small, tall, wide. Small, tall, wide. Yes. Now you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So here there are 11 words. Yes, children. So now we will start the first sentence. That is, this is a dash tower. You can see here: fat, hot, smart, huge, round, short, heavy, small, tall, wide. These words are called as a naming word. What are these words called? Describing words. These words are called as what? Describing words. Yes. So first one, this is a dash tower. The first one. This is a dash tower. The next, that man is dash. Second one, that man is dash. Third one, these kittens are dash. Dash. Fourth one, the road is dash. The road is dash. Next, the road is dash. This sentence is completed. Fifth one, dinosaurs are dash. The next, sixth one, Usha has dash heads. Usha has dash heads. Then seventh, the milk is dash. The milk is dash. The next, eighth one, the earth is dash. The earth is dash. Then ninth one, the boy is dash. The boy is dash. 10th one. The log is dash. The log is dash. So here. Now, children, we have to use these words and fill in the blanks. These words are called as describing words. So here, the first one is what here? This is a tower. This is a tower. The tower will be big or small, children? The tower will be always in height. That means it is very tall. So we say this is a tall tower. This is a tall tower. You can see here in the picture. Yes? And here you can see the man has dressed up very neatly. Very neatly the man has dressed up. Then what we say? That man is smart. What we say? That man is smart. Smart. These kittens are dash. These kittens are dash. When the kittens, you see the small baby of the cat, then they are very small in size. Yes or no? So, these kittens are small. What is the word here? Small. Small, here it is. Next. The road is dash. The road is dash. You can see the picture here. You can see two vehicles are moving on one road. That means the road is wide. Wide andre agla. It is very wide. So we use the word here wide. The road is wide. We use wide. Next. Dinosaurs are dash. Before we used to see many dinosaurs. How they used to be? They are very big in size. What are they? Very big in size. They are huge. We call huge. Huge. The next. Usha has dash hairs. Usha has dash hairs. You can see in the picture how the Usha is having the hairs till here, only till here. That means they are very short. Yes or no? Usha is having short hairs. You have to see the picture and answer this, children. Yes. Next. The milk is hot. You can see, children, here there is a glass and in that they have poured the milk. And you can see the steam is coming out from the glass. That means the milk is hot. What it is? The milk is hot. Hot. Next. The earth is dash. What is the shape of the earth here, children? Round. How it is? Round. I gave the example. How is the ball? The ball is round in shape. Same like that only. The earth also is round. You can see here the earth is round. So the answer is what here? Round. The next. The boy is dash. See here. How this boy is? Bablu bablu. Yes or no? Bolu bolu. That means he is fat. Ati dappa idre enantri? Fat antri. Yes or no? So the boy is what here? Fat. So we use the word here fat. Next. The log is log. Log andre enu? ಗಿಡದ ಬಡ್ಡಿ ಅಂತೀವಲ್ಲ ದೊಡ್ಡದೊಂದು ಬಡ್ಡಿ ಕಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬಿದ್ದಾಗ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಲಾಗ್. So can you lift it one hand, children, or with your two hands you alone can lift that? No. Why? Because it is very heavy. So the answer is what here? Heavy. The log is heavy. The log is heavy. Yes. We have completed this one exercise today, children. So I will continue the next two mains in the next video. Till then, you write these notes with the definitions and examples and the first main of exercise I have solved in this topic. Okay? Write this in your notebooks very neatly with good handwriting and send me the photocopy of it on my app. Thank you children. Have a great day.